A good opening earn your audience, while a good closing move your audience. So, hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are absolutely fine. And today the topic is win your audience in just 15 seconds. In public speaking, it is very important that your intro is best because you can lose or gain the attention or the trust of the audience while the very first moment when you just start speaking. So, or we have heard about that your first impression is the last impression. So, it is very important that our intro should be best. And you know what actually the people will start making perception about the people, about the presentator, that how amazing the presentator is or how bad the presentator is in the starting, in the initial phase. So if your intro is best, then it will grab the attention of the audience. Basically what audience want to grab their attention and take them somewhere they will never gone before. So what we have to do, we have to grab the attention of the audience and take them where they want to go and where they never ever gone before. So basically how we can grab their attention, so when you start speaking, your most important goal is grab their attention and the time of the audience for the next minute while you start speaking and your public speaking is going forward. So you have to convince the people or you have to convince the audience that you are worthy enough to listen. Now, anyone how can earn the audience? There are a lot of methods that anyone can do in the starting stage and they can earn the audience. For example, you can start with a quotation. If anyone can start with the quotation, then the public or you can say the audience start listening what the person is going to tell. Second thing, you can start with a deep question. If you have a deep question, then you can start with a deep question again. Then the same thing will be happen. The attention of the public or you can say audience will be on you. And the third thing is you can start with a problem. What is the problem of in today's scenario and whatever, you can start with these are the things. Okay, and the most important is start with a story. You have heard a lot of public speakers start with a story. You know what? Why story is the best while you start your public speaking or you start a conversation? The very first thing is that when you start with a story, you are a human being instead of an expert. You connect with the people, you connect each other, and you can grab the attention of the audience. So it is very important if you will start with and in the form of story, your presentation will form in the form of story. Okay, and second thing, if you will start with a story, then it is very easy to represent or you can say the present your presentation. It is become a lot easier. And while you start with the story in the form of story, then what actually happen? It will calm you and you will be relaxed and everything will be going in a proper manner. But if you came with some preparation and if you forget some of the things, then what actually happen? You start thinking about what the next line is, what I have to speak actually. But if you start in the form story, then you can move as per you want and you can take the audience as you can to go there. So while you are in a public speaking, go in in the story form. It is very much important. And that's it in this video, and I hope you will understand why it is important that we have to start with a story, or we have to start with some quotation, some deep question, with some problems. That these are the things that you can grab the attention of the audience. So that's it in this video, and thank you very much for watching this video till then, and I hope so you must like, share and subscribe the channel. So thank you very much for watching this video till the end.